Hi friends, welcome to Metis. Today we are going to discuss 50 important question answers from the play Importance of Being Earnest. I have already posted 2 videos in which I described about the author and explained the whole play. Watch it for getting a clear idea of the play. So let's start. First question, when was Oscar Wilde born? In 1854. What was the name of the movement that embraced the principle of art for art's sake? Answer, aestheticism. What was the term for new type of character that Wilde introduced to the Victorian melodrama? And the answer is the dandy. Dandy is a man with great satirical elegance who is humorous and philosophical, gives exaggerated attention to personal appearance. And dandy is an aristocrat whose elegance is a symbol of superiority of her spirit. So in Importance of Being Earnest, we can say that Algernon is a dandy and Jack Worthing is also a dandy. Then what is the title of Wilde's only novel? The Picture of Dorian Gray. Next, what is the title of Wilde's 4-act comedy first produced in 1892? And the answer is Lady Windermere's Fan. Next one, the subtitle of The Importance of Being Earnest. A trivial comedy for serious people. This question is from last time's HSA English question paper. Then next, when did Oscar Wilde write The Importance of Being Earnest? And the answer is 1895. The play comes under the banner of Comedy of Manners. What is the setting of Act 1 and The Importance of Being Earnest? And the answer is morning room in Algernon's flat in Half Moon Street. Why does Lane think it isn't polite to listen to Algernon's piano playing? And the answer is because Algernon plays so badly. So in the opening scene, Algernon was playing a piano. Next, what leads Algernon to think Jack is leading a double life? Answer, an inscription on the cigarette case. What is the sentence? From little Cicely with her fondest love to her dear uncle Jack. That was the inscription. Next one, what is the name of Algy's imaginary invalid friend? Answer is Bunbury. We share with the spelling Bunbury because sometimes there might be options like Bunbery or Benbury like that. So be sure with the spelling, learn it. Next one, what is Gwendolen's last name? And the answer is Fairfax. Study the full name of all the characters like Cicely, Cardew, etc. Next one, who proclaims that divorces are made in heaven? And the answer is Algernon. And next one, what two things according to Aunt Augusta are not the same and rarely go together? Answer, behaving well and feeling well. In a conversation between Aunt Augusta and Algernon, she is asking him, I hope you are behaving very well. And he is saying, I am feeling very well. At that time, she is making this remark. Next one, what does Gwendolen say they live in? Answer, an age of ideals. That's an important quote too. We live, as I hope you know, Mr. Worthing, is an age of ideals. This is the correct dialogue delivered by Gwendolen. Next one, what does Jack call Lady Bracknell behind her back? Answer, a gorgon. In Act 1, Jack is making this comment. That is, Gwendolen's mother is perfectly unbearable. Never met such a gorgon. I don't really know what a gorgon is like, but I am quite sure that Lady Bracknell is one. This is that comment. Then next one, according to Algernon, in The Importance of Being Earnest, what is the essence of romance? And the answer is uncertainty. This question is from last time's HSST English exam. Next one, where is Jack's house in the country? And the answer is Hertfordshire. If it asked what's the setting of the play, you can answer London and Hertfordshire, England in the late 19th century. Then next question, what position of public responsibility does Jack Worthing hold in Hertfordshire? And the answer is justice of the peace. Next one. Why does Gwendolen never travel without her diary? And the answer is one should always have something sensational to read on the train. This can be asked as a quote. The next one. What did Gwendolen feel was the most important in matters of grave importance? And the answer, style. In matters of grave importance, style, not sincerity, is the vital thing. That's a sentence. The next one. What is the setting of Act 2 in the importance of being earnest? Jack Worthy's country estate. Exactly, garden at the manor house. In Act 3rd, this garden is changing to drawing room at the manor house. Just keep in mind. What does Miss Prism say fiction means? And the answer is the good ended happily and the bad unhappily. The next one. What social group does Oscar Wilde satirize through the figure of Lady Bracknell? Answer, the aristocracy. Next one. What flower does Algernon compare Cicely to in Act 2nd? And the answer is a pink rose. Next one. Why the name Ernest attracts Cicely? And the answer is it inspires about confidence. It is same with Gwendolen too. Next one. What arrangement does Jack make with Dr. Chasuble after announcing Ernest's death? To rechristian himself Ernest. Next one. What do Cicely and Gwendolen do upon learning from Jack that Ernest is a fiction? They live arm in arm. The next one. Who comes to call Gwendolen from the manor house in the country? Answer, Lady Bracknell. Next one. Why does Lady Bracknell suddenly like Cicely? And the answer is she discovers that Cicely is incredibly wealthy. The next. On what grounds does Jack Worthing, Cicely's guardian, refuse to allow Cicely and Algernon's engagement? Answer is Algernon is untruthful according to Jack. Next one. As a baby, where was Jack discovered? And the answer is in a handbag. And the handbag found in the cloakroom at Victoria Station, Brighton Railway Line. Next one. What did Miss Prism confuse the baby with, causing her to place the baby in a handbag? And the answer is a novel manuscript. Next one. Who is Jack's real mother? And the answer is Lady Bracknell's sister. At first, he confused it with Miss Prism. Next one. Jack Worthing was christened after his father, whose name was General. And the answer is Ernest John. So the first name of his father was Ernest. The next. How does the importance of being earnest ends? It ends happily. What does the handbag symbolize in the importance of being earnest? It's a symbol for comedy of errors. Comedy of errors means it's a humorous play that involves people being mistaken for other people. Here on that handbag, Jack was found as a baby. The next, which line from Act 1 of the importance of being earnest is an epigram? Epigram is a pithy saying or remark expressing an idea in a clever and amusing way. Here that line is, there is no good offering a large reward now that the thing is found. The next, which line from Act 2 of the play is a paradox? As we know, paradox means a person or thing that combines contradictory features or qualities. So here, the line, well, one must be serious about something if one wants to have any amusement in life. That line is a paradox. The next, what does food symbolize in the play? Answer, food symbolizes excess or overindulgence. The next, all women become like their mothers, that is their tragedy. No man does, that's hers. Whose words are these? It was the words by Algernon to Jack. Quotes are very important, so here I am giving some important quotes. Who talks? The country always bores me to death. In the importance of being earnest. And the answer is Gwentalon. Next, girls never marry the men they flirt with. Girls don't think it is right. It's a great truth. Who said this? Answer Algernon. Oh, pleasure, pleasure. What else should bring one anywhere? These lines by Jack. The next, the very essence of romance is uncertainty. The remarkable statement is made by whom? Answer is Algernon. Next, I hate people who are not serious about meals. It is so shallow of them. Whose words are these? Even though Algernon is the foodie, these words by Jack. I never change except in my affections. This witty dialogue is from whom? Answer Quentalon. Next, men should be more careful. This very celibacy leads weaker vessels astray. This is the words by Dash in the play The Importance of Being Earnest. The answer is Miss Prism. Last question. I have now realized for the first time in my life the vital importance of being earnest. These are the words by answer Jack. So practice these questions. Don't miss this. We'll come with another video soon. Study well, prepare well. Thank you.